It's getting easier and easier for hackers to steal passwords. So today I'm going to show you how to make a password generator using Python. We're going to click play. You're going to see it's generating random passwords for us. Okay? I'm going to just walk you through this step by step. So we're actually using secrets instead of just generating random letters and characters. Using secrets is going to be way more secure. So we're going to import secrets. And we're importing string as well, okay? Now let's write the function that's actually going to create the password for us. Length, we're going to put 12 because yeah, that's all we really need, right? Now we're going to do 3 variables. We're going to use the letters, numbers, and special characters, okay? This variable alphabet is just bringing all of these different characters together, okay? The password is going to be blank for now. And password strong, I'm going to say it's false for now, okay? Now let's make our while loop. This while loop is going to keep generating passwords until it meets certain requirements for it to actually be considered a strong password. So while it's not strong, right, we already started it off as false. So this right here is going to generate the password to the certain length that we set, right? 12. So for our program, this part right here is checking if it has at least 1 special character and 2 digits. We pretty much done now. This part here is just going to actually run the function first. So I'm going to create a new terminal really quick and press play, make sure it's working. And we're good. See? It's giving us new lines every single time. Boom, boom. So that's how you make a password generator using Python. I hope y'all learned something today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all stay safe. Peace.